Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel Refine Education. If you're aspiring to become a successful Python developer, you've come to the right place. Today, we've got the ultimate roadmap that will guide you through the key steps and milestones on your journey to mastering Python development. In the end of this video, there's a gift for my audience. Stick to the end. Now let's start our journey. Number 1. Getting started with Python. The first step on your roadmap is getting acquainted with Python. We'll cover the basics, including setting up your development environment, understanding variables, data types, and basic syntax. Dive into beginner-friendly integrated development environments, IDEs like PyCharm or Visual Studio Code to make your coding experience smoother. Number 2. Mastering the fundamentals. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to master the fundamentals. Explore Python's extensive documentation, tackle coding exercises on platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode, and start working on small projects to apply what you've learned. Number 3. Understanding object-oriented programming, OOP. Python is an object-oriented language, so understanding OOP is crucial. Learn about classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Dive into practical examples to solidify your understanding of these concepts. Number 4. Exploring Python libraries and frameworks. Python's strength lies in its rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Explore web development with Flask or Django. Dive into data science with NumPy and Pandas, and discover machine learning with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Familiarize yourself with these tools to broaden your skill set. Number 5. Version control with Git. Every developer needs to understand version control. Git is a powerful tool that allows you to track changes in your code, collaborate with others, and manage your projects effectively. Learn the basics of Git, including branching, merging, and creating a solid commit history. Number 6. Building real-world projects. Now it's time to put your skills to the test by working on real-world projects. Start with small projects and gradually move on to more complex ones. Upload your projects to GitHub to showcase your work to potential employers. Number 7. Testing and debugging. A successful developer needs to write clean, bug-free code. Learn about unit testing, debugging tools, and best practices for ensuring the reliability and stability of your code. Number 8. Continuous learning and community involvement. The world of technology is ever-evolving. Stay ahead by continuously learning. Engage with the Python community. Attend meetups and enroll in online courses to keep your skills sharp and up-to-date. Conclusion. This is a bonus gift to my audience. There is PDF file in the description to become Python developer, and there you have it. The ultimate roadmap to becoming a successful Python developer. Remember, it's a journey, so enjoy the process of learning and building. If you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to your channel Refine Education, and ring the bell for more content like this. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.